Here is the data which is to be printed in an A4 sheet. So what are the steps to be followed? Please have a look. Click on the portion beside the column heading and the row heading to select the entire sheet. Double click on one of the edges of the column to find that the data is adjusted with the width of the column with respect to the requirement. Then again click here to select the entire sheet. Then increase the size of the row a bit. From the alignment group, this is alignment group. These three buttons are for vertical alignment. These three buttons are for horizontal alignment. So I'll use this one to put the data in the middle of the cell. Then what will I do is change the font to Arial narrow and increase the size to 12. Okay, next what will I do is go to page layout, and this is the page setup group, and when you click on this symbol it opens the page setup dialog box. First tab, there are 4 tabs. The first tab is page, where you can see the data is adjusted to 100%. The orientation is portrait. According to your requirement, you can use landscape as well. And the paper size is A4. If you have any other paper in this combo box, you can click on the drop down to change it. Okay. And if you have any other paper in your printer, you can use that paper as well. So accordingly, the cells will be adjusted. Click on OK to find this dashed line, which is the horizontal limit of the page. That means the impact column will be outside of the page and not be printed. If you go down, you will find this dashed line for the vertical limit. That means only 25 cells will be printed. So accordingly, the rest of the data will be in page number 2. Now, to adjust the column, what we can do is we can click on the author column and go to home and click on wrap text. Then decrease the size of the column. Still it is not within the page, so for that let's go to page layout again, click on page setup dialog box, go to margins. So you will find here that the margins are this way. So what we can do, we can use say 0, 0, 0 and 0 for the margins. Even header and footer also 0. According to your requirement, you can change the number here. And center of the page should be horizontally and vertically. See the preview here. The data will be printed exactly in the center of the page, horizontally as well and vertically as well. Click on OK. See, now it's adjusted. Click column 1 and go to home, click on bold. Okay, next select the data. From the border drop down, click on all borders. Okay, now when you go to file and click on print, you have your data covered in the sheet properly and it will look good as well. Okay, now go back, and in case you need only the names, say for students admission number, roll number, name, then blank columns. For that, select these 4 columns, remove the data, and then number the columns or any other heading which you prefer, which you require. Then select the columns to adjust the size. Okay, to adjust the size so that all of them are equal. Accordingly, you can change the size for one column to be more also. This is with respect to your requirement. Then go to file and click on print to see the data like this properly arranged. Now you can click on print, number of copies, then take the printout. Okay, thank you.